Welcome everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the masking tool in Figma. It's going to be a quick video. Let's get to it. Before we get to the exercise, what is masking? So masking is essentially using an object shape to show specific areas of another object while hiding the rest. So I'm going to show you how to use masking to create something like this. For example, you can use that as a profile picture inside a card. You can use it in other areas of design as well. So I'm going to use a picture of my dog. There we go. This is Buffy. She's going to be modeling for us today. So first of all, let's create a shape that we want to use as a mask. So I'm going to create an ellipses, which is just a circle. I'm going to place it over the area I want to mask. And the first thing you have to know is that when using a mask, you have to place the object that's going to be your mask behind the object you're trying to mask. So I'm going to send it to back by hitting the left bracket. I'm going to select both the image and the shape, and I'm going to hit this button here. This is use as mask button. Once I've clicked that, you can see that we've got our mask set up, and we can actually go into the layers panel here. This is our mask group, and we can still adjust the image however we want. So we can place the image accordingly, we can resize it, we can do whatever we want with it, as well as the shape. So if I select the shape, I can resize the shape, I can do anything I want with this while it's still inside the mask group. Now, what if we want to not use the background of this image? What if we want an outline of this dog? We can do that by simply using the pen tool and tracing over the dog to create our own custom shape. And to save us some time, I've already done that over here. So I've used the pen tool, I've created a shape. Again, I'm going to push this behind the image. So I'm going to hit the left square bracket, and now I'm going to select both the image and the shape and hit the mask button. And there you've got it. We've created our mask around the dog. Now, if we want to add the round background behind it, the easiest way to do this is to create a square frame. So for instance, we've got our frame here. So we've created our square frame. We'll grab the image of the dog here, put it inside. And when you've selected the frame, give it the maximum amount of border radius. And we've got our circle. Now we can add a background to it. Let's give it a linear background. I'll make it blue, for instance. And there you have it. You can also add a stroke to this frame if you'd like, and create the thickness that you desire. If you've enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and have a great day.